drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate insight.
Alright, y'all, so I updated the system. I switched from the SA12s and the FB 5000. So I went and got two Sundown X 12's dual 4s and paired it up with a Salt 4. Alright, so let's go take a look at this. This system is, my boy hooked this thing up, man. My boy Dex. Just want you to take a look at that. Signed by JP. So we're gonna see what this thing can do. The box, I'm gonna have to get a different box, man. It's not, it's kind of small for these subs, and it really could benefit from a better box. It really pounded with the SAs. So let's see what this thing does. I'm gonna get blowed, so blowed, and we'll see if we can get some flex on it. Riding through the town, checking out traps, making out rounds, getting Alright, let me know what you guys think. You want to see the subs flex for a second? Alright, let's go back. Let's see the subs flex for a second. Everybody likes a good sub flex. To see these things. Alright, gave you guys some flex of the car. Them X's jumping and flexing. Let me know what you guys think. Once I get the other box, I will do another video just to kind of update it on how that sounds. But as for now, peace out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Later.
Checking out the trap, making all rounds, getting low.